So, what's up guys? Today we have a really cool car. It's a 2017 Mercedes GLE 63S AMG. That's really a full mouth of words. But yeah, this thing just totally is a beast. The fan is blowing. I hope you hear me very well. The fan is a little bit loud because the engine needs to be drive warm before I give a lot of throttle. So let's begin. This is the key. Yeah, a little bit old-fashioned. Mercedes don't want to really invest in the keys, so yeah, that sucks, but good. Okay, so coming to the front end of this beast, just look at it. It just looks amazing. You have this massive Mercedes grille with a little AMG logo in there. In the front they can give it a little bit more because that's really subtle, just that little AMG logo. But yeah, what could have you done better with this front end? Just looks amazing. The next thing, the wheels. Sorry, the car is pretty dirty, have to wash it, but yeah, didn't have the time for it. But the wheels looks really good. 22 inch. Oh no, actually 21 inch. Really cool wheel with some Michelin Pilot Sport tires. The other thing, inside, yeah, as you can see, you have a lot of space in the back. This is just yeah, great. Nice amounts of headroom, nice amounts of knee room, just awesome. Damn, it's really dirty, this car. That sucks. Yeah, really cool car. Then we go to the back. Automatic, obviously. A lot of space again, right here, as you expect from a car the size of this. Let's close it. Then we go to the exhaust. Well, one thing is really a shame. You have 4 tips, but if you look in there, I don't know if you can see it, you only have 1 tip. So that, yeah, that really sucks. Oh no. I think he needs to go fast. Well, okay, that was the outside. Now we go to the inside. Inside, this car, as I said, was from 2016, so it's a little bit not up to date, a little bit old-fashioned, but still looks really good. You have the AMG logo, the badge right here, another AMG badge right there. But yeah, this thing is just it's fine. Nice steering wheel, really cool ref matching right there. Speedometer looks really good. Nice infotainment system. Now we go to the modes. Go to comfort. Put a seatbelt on. But really, this car in comfort sounds already really good. Listen. Damn, you can't really beat the sound of a V8. Now let's go to not Sport but Sport Plus. The weird thing is, when you drive, you really hear the difference between Comfort and Sport Plus. But while revving, yeah, there is a little difference, but it's really not that noticeable. So we go for a little drive. Put it in manual, yes sir. Yeah, What do I have to say? Yeah, there's the sound. Just listen to this, wait. Just, wow. You really can't beat this sound. Oh my god. This, yeah. You really, when you look from the outside, you really don't expect this. People are just looking for, yeah, for, is that a fast car or for what is that? Looks like a drugs dealer. Which really, this car looks really like that. All blacked out. And then just with this sound, it's, wow. Just amazing. Well done, AMG. Well done. And Mercedes, of course. It's just so freaking fast. That's just crazy. That's this car has 520 horsepower, I believe, with a twin turbo V8. Yeah, you can't really go wrong with a V8. Crazy car. Just the sound alone. Actually, this car is for sale. So if you are interested in this car, hit me up down in the comments. Send me a little text and I will respond for the price. This car has 145,000 kilometers on it. Yeah, some say it's a little bit much, some say it's durable, it's fine. In my opinion, it's fine. If you look at Mercedes build quality, yeah, they really aren't breakable. Just build quality of German cars, really good, I have to say. Well done. So then, yeah, 145 is not too much. No. Don't know what he is doing. And I really don't know what he is doing. It's not a parking for your car, sir. The way this car really just squats down when you give some throttle is just an amazing feeling. really loud pops. That's a really big tractor. There's some nice weather today. Oh, the sound. This freaking sound.